Choosing between OpenWrt and pfSense? These are two completely different philosophies for network management. One's built for flexibility and hardware freedom, the other's designed for enterprise-grade firewall power. Let's cut through the noise and figure out which one you actually need. And hey, drop a like if this helps you out. Quick context. pfSense is a free BSD-based firewall and router platform focused on comprehensive security features and professional-grade network management. OpenWrt is a Linux-based firmware that replaces your router's stock operating system, emphasizing customization and breathing new life into existing hardware. Fundamentally different approaches to the same problem. Hardware philosophy. This is the core difference. pfSense requires dedicated x86 hardware. Think mini PCs or server-grade appliances with at least 1 GB RAM and a 64-bit CPU. You're looking at purpose-built firewall boxes. OpenWrt runs on consumer routers with minimal specs, 16 MB flash and 128 MB RAM is the baseline. You can literally flash it onto a $50 router sitting in your closet. Performance and routing. OpenWrt achieves full gigabit routing out of the box on modest hardware with strong VLAN and PPPoE support. pfSense may need configuration tweaks to hit those speeds, but scales dramatically higher for enterprise workloads. For VPNs, pfSense typically delivers around 100 megabits per second over OpenVPN, while OpenWrt can reach higher speeds. With WireGuard on capable hardware, performance can exceed 600 megabits per second. User interface and configuration. pfSense makes advanced tasks like VLAN configuration much easier thanks to a more structured and logical GUI. OpenWrt's interface is cleaner, partly because it includes fewer built-in features. Basic tasks are similar, but pfSense's power comes with added complexity. Port forwarding is generally easier on OpenWrt, while multi-WAN failover and traffic shaping are areas where pfSense clearly excels. Feature set. pfSense is a complete security platform with IDS, IPS support, advanced filtering, captive portal functionality, and professional-grade traffic shaping. OpenWrt focuses on core routing and firewall features, with extensibility through packages, but it lacks the deep, integrated security tooling found in pfSense. Updates and maintenance. pfSense upgrades easily through the web interface with just a few clicks. OpenWrt updates usually involve backing up configuration, flashing a new firmware image, and restoring settings. In practice, pfSense systems tend to stay more up-to-date because the update process is simpler. Wireless support. OpenWrt offers excellent wireless support and some of the best wireless performance available. pfSense has limited wireless capabilities and is not ideal as a wireless access point. If wireless performance matters, OpenWrt is the clear winner. Package ecosystem. OpenWrt has a massive package ecosystem, allowing you to install everything from file sharing to media services. It's essentially a full Linux distribution for routers. pfSense, by contrast, is intentionally restrictive and discourages running non-network services on the firewall. Here's the bottom line. Use OpenWrt if you're repurposing existing routers, need strong wireless performance, want maximum flexibility, or run a home network under gigabit speeds. It's ideal for enthusiasts who like to tinker. Choose pfSense when security, reliability, and advanced firewall features are critical. If you're protecting business infrastructure, need professional-grade IDS, IPS, require easy VLAN management, or want a system that's simple to maintain, pfSense is the better choice. Many users run both, pfSense as the main firewall and OpenWrt on access points for wireless. Which one are you leaning toward? Comment below with your setup. Subscribe for more network tech comparisons. See you next time.